Hi there, my name is Jason Hanna of IMO Precision Controls, and today, featuring at RE Plus 2024, we're featuring our DC disconnects. These disconnects have been long since used in many different applications, from PV voltaic systems to battery isolation systems. The key behind the success of the disconnects is the technology used in the disconnection process. Unlike traditional knife blade type disconnects, these disconnects will switch on the side of the blades versus in front of the blades. Less surface area means less sparking. We also incorporated a patented safe rapid switching mechanism which takes the control away from the switching process. Inside there's a charge spring and clutch system that when it reaches a certain point, it takes over the switching process. In that way, we can guarantee that the switching is efficient, it's done consistently, and the arcing is kept to under 3 milliseconds. The benefit of our disconnects, we have 600 volt rated and 1000 volt rated disconnects. We can go from a 2-string disconnection system to 4 strings in total. And all of our disconnects comply with UL 508I with our safe off lockable position. NEMA 4X enclosures can be used in any type of disconnection within the system to disconnect batteries, multi-mode inverters, DC coupled system, AC coupled systems. It's a very, very versatile disconnect. For more information, go to our website at www.imoautomation.com for more details.